Bakit?
Siyempre parang anak ko siya, di ba?
Oo
May
nga.
ganung pakiramdam.
Ikaw nga nagluwal talaga sa kanya eh.
Diyos ko, huwag mo ako papahiyain. Huwag mo ako papahiyain.
Oo, lalo na kami. Ladies and gentlemen, John Paul Dizon!
Fashionista, gimikera, at laging laman ng internet shop. Pero ang stylist na ito ay may matagal nang tinatagong talento. Ang pagkanta ng bonggang-bongga gaya ng favorite singer niyang si John Legend. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing JP Dizon.
So to get down, good Lord, baby, call up and all over town. Swing the busy, don't play around. Cover much ground, getting paid by the pound. Getting paid is a forte, each and every day to play away. I can't get you out of my mind. I think about the girl all the time. East side to the west side, push your bad rides, it's no surprise. She got sticks in the stairs, thumping up the cash, fast when it comes to the gas. By no means average, as long as you know what's heaven. Baby, you're a perfect 10, I wanna get in, gonna get down so I can win. I like the way you work it, don't take it easy, try to bag it up. I like the way you work it, don't take it easy, try to bag it up. I like the way you work it, don't take it easy, try to bag it up. I like the way you work it, don't take it easy, try to bag it up. Oh, she's got class inside, she's managed by the pound. A baby never acts wild, very low key on the profile. A catching villain is a no. Let me tell you how it goes. Curves the words, spins the verbs, lover it curves so freak what you heard. Or rolling with a fatness, you don't even know what the half is. You've gotta pay to play, but shorty bang bang while you look your way. I like the way you work it, drop tight all day, every day. You're blowing my mind up, baby, in time. Baby, I can get you in my rhyme. I like the way you work it, no diggity, try to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity, try to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity, try to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity, try to bag it up. Oh. Thank you!
Gusto na iiyak ako.
In fairness naman, John Paul, JP.
Ang galing-galing mo, anak.
Salamat, mama.
Pagod na pagod na ako kakatrabaho. Ikaw naman.
Samantala, birthday mo pala!
Happy birthday!
Heidi!
JP! Si JP
Hello po.
mo siya.
Eto pa, Bes!
Nako, eto. Isa pa to. Mahal na
Isang
mahal
writer pa
namin.
natin, si Heidi!
Napakaganda
Birthday
rin.
din!
Asin sabay.
Heidi Belen! Yehey! Mabait yan! Siya po ang writer namin, kaya yun ang nakasulat
Dapat daw
doon.
pala basahin yung yehey, mabait
Oo.
yan.
Si Heidi.
Si Raulo.
Sandali muna. Heidi, bago ka mag-blow ng iyong candle, ikaw, JP, meron ba kayong mga birthday wish na pwedeng maibigay ng comedy bar?
Maraming show.
Okay.
Hindi ba alam sa bahay niyo? Ako nga hindi rin alam sa bahay namin. Eh.
Ha?
Ano sabihin mo, ate?
Ako may wish ako.
Ano? Go, Heidi.
Tabioli ka dito.
Fabian!
Ano?
Minsan
Nandi-
lang to.
Hello. Hello.
Pwede mag-Vic Soto.
Her
Pwede,
birthday
pwede.
wish is for you
Pwede.
to kiss her on the cheek.
Yes! Ah!
Because, kita-kita ko yun, te. Ang tulis. Kita-kita ko yun, te. Ang tulis ng uso mo.
Joke lang. Thanks, Fabio.
Yes!
Comedy bar. Love you. Love you guys. Love you.
Happy birthday mo ngayon.
JP!
Happy birthday mo ngayon.
Heidi!
Ibo-blow na kita, ibo-blow mo rin ako. Magbo-blow out ang tayong dalawa. Happy birthday mo ngayon.
JP!
Happy birthday mo ngayon. Pagkakataon mo na ngayong
gabi magpakanton dahil happy birthday mo ngayon. Dahil birthday mo ngayon, sige na, papax kita ng quotable quotes na maganda. Dahil birthday mo ngayon, merong kiss na bayag ka para ang saya diretso pa. Happy birthday mo ngayon. Happy birthday mo ngayon. Pagkakataon mo na ngayong gabi na magsaya dahil bukas matanda ka na.
Happy birthday! Thank you!
Fabio,
Yes.
may kailangan kang gawin. Kailangan mo nang magpaalam sa dalawang babae tonight. Do you understand that?
Yes, I have to choose between two girls.
Oo,
No, you have to say
bakit?
goodbye to two girls.
Say goodbye to two girls.
Yes,
Uh-huh.
why?
Goodbye, girls.
Yeah.
No! Out of the 6 girls!
Joke lang.
Gusto naming maintindihan. Let's watch this.
Okay, let's try this.
Alright girls, sino makakuha ng masarap ng almusay ay yung matitili. Pero kung makakuha ng picture of Tato, my assistant, ay yung manatanggal. So good luck sa inyo lahat, and please, let's check what you guys have got under the plates. Chair, Jambi, unfortunately you guys have to leave now. I'm so sorry about that, but please.
Abangan namin yan, Fabio, ha, kung sino talaga ang napili mo.
Sige.
At dadagundong ng ating featured stand-up comedian for tonight, si Orca. So just stay tuned for that. Dito lang sa...
Comedy Bar!
Don't